this is the summary of Mr. Belz's coding class, and I'm Ryan. During this coding class, I did an intro to HTML, CSS, making web pages, and I completed a lot of this course, which really helped me out here. It was hard, but it helped me out. Then I moved on to working on some coding. It's just loading here. It's this piece of code. It took me a while to put it together, but I made it so that it alerts you when it says access granted, and it also alerts you like with those pop-ups. Unfortunately, I can't show it because I lost my USB stick, which is unfortunate, but here's the code. It links to my Scratch project. Um, Here's my Scratch project. So first I made this. I don't have the best names, but first I made this. Um, it's where you have to click the earth. So once you click that and click space, then they're all there. And once you click them, they just explode, which I think was pretty cool. Yeah, and then there's also this platformer game that I made, and it works. I made it all from scratch, but I couldn't figure out how to make it switch levels. You're supposed to be, if you hit this, switch levels, but for some reason it's not working, so kind of just scrapped that. I made a few levels though for it, but since I couldn't actually, here's the first level. It's my favorite level. I really like it. Go like that. It's pretty fun. I think I'm gonna keep doing this in the future, but I can never get it to work. Which took me a very long time to make. And I made a remix for this one. So you can tell it's the remix. I changed a few things and made some changes to it because it's really complicated. But it was super hard. So you can play multiplayer and play single player, which is, I think, is super cool because me and Cameron play together, and then I changed up the colors a bit and compared to their other original project, and it's kind of just a platformer and it moves like that. There's obstacles. If you fall in, you die. These also do make you go flying, which I think is super cool. If I go over here, it also goes flying the way it hit me. And then my most recent project that I'm just working on is this hunter safety kind of test because I recently got my hunter safety process. So it has to be most of my name. It took me a really long time to figure out how to do this. Right here, hello Ryan. Figured out to say my name, but once you click start, it asks you a question. So I'm gonna do the right one. It says right, and then your score goes up right here, and then click right, and it goes up again. I'm still working on this, but yeah, that was my project.